symbol, and today we're going to be discussing about the knights. And if you see my profile picture, you see this thing, which is, it looks like a horse, but in chess we call it a knight. And so a knight can move like this. It's like one of the hardest pieces to it's like one of the hardest pieces to memorize, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be a chess pro. And so basically, knights, you can say, moves in an L shape, and they just zigzag like that. You see? And just like I told you before, you have to get the one that you're not going to be able to get the next time. So let's plan this. If I move to the left one, would I be able to get all of them? That's the question you need to ask yourself. So let's go to the right one. Let's see what happens. You see? But now let's see what the left one does. See? You're not going to be able to get this one or this one. So it's just a lose for that one. And for this one, there's one key thing that I have to tell you about the knight. The knight can jump over other pieces. Something that the other pieces cannot do. Pretty cool to know, right? Anyways, now this is a tricky situation. So if you move here, 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 and here. Oh no, I made a mistake. That's just it. And now, for the last one, the hardest one. To grab all these stars, you would need to jump over this star, the one that's in front of you. And then you're going to jump over to here, 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 here. Now you see why that's wrong, right? I made a mistake. But instead of leaning on that mistake, just go the other way. But now, which one do you go to? Question? You go there. No? You got all of them. You see how you just learn from your mistakes? That's how you do it. And that's the end of the video.